Aloha, Nina here, and today we're going to talk about Toontown, known as Mickey's Toontown, and of course this is at Disneyland, yes, in California. So we're going to start this video off with actually a live streaming that I did for my Facebook fans. Please join my Facebook group. I would love that. Please be aware, because this was a live stream, there were parts of Toontown that didn't quite get the best Wi-Fi, but enjoy.
All right, morning everyone. We are in Disneyland for early morning magic hours, and just as I promised, we are going to do a live video of Mickey's Toontown. So I'm going to flip this around. Haven't been in here in years. It always was something I thought was for little ones, but let's do this together. Here we go. All right, here we go. Toontown didn't open until 9 o'clock this morning. So we had a full 2 hours doing other things. Here we go. This is something that's totally unique to Disneyland in California. Walt Disney World Magic Kingdom does not have this. Oh my gosh, this is a lot bigger than I remember. They do have one ride in here, Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, I think, which we do have a fast pass for. But otherwise, I remember it as just being a little area with some like play skates for little ones to climb in. And of course, characters, I do see Pluto. All right, guys, go explore. Looks like I see a shop. All right, guys, it's called Goofy's Playhouse. Should we try it? It says for children ages 2 to 5, which mine are not, but we can walk through it. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, I mean, this is totally a playscape for... You guys can do it quickly. There's no little kids in here that's going to get hurt by you. You can do the slide if you want to. I mean, this is totally a little kid zone here. But if you get here early in the morning, maybe, like us, you can be the only ones in here and your older kids can have fun for a second. A little adult bench. Here they go, going down the slide. Made for toddlers. All right. Goofy's house. Oh, this is a nice little quiet area. Okay, how do we exit? Do we have to exit the way we came in?
Yeah.
All right, that's kind of nice. So you know you're not going to lose your kids. So if you stay at the entrance, it's also the exit. So there's no lost tots in here. They can kind of run around freely. You can sit on a bench, maybe take a break, and they can kind of explore. I really actually like that. Oh my goodness, look who I see. He's just roaming around. Look at him. This also does not happen at Disney World, like, ever. Characters just roam around. They do not stop for pictures or autographs, but he totally, oh, I guess he is stopping for a picture.
Why do they sell? Why do they sell air? That's weird.
Go in there, bud. We're gonna do this full circle so you can go see. There are plenty of older kids in here having fun. All right, Miss Daisy's Toon Lake. What is that, a boat? Uh-oh, Gadget's Go-Go Coaster. Never mind, I lied. There's 2 coasters in here. It already has a 30-minute wait, it says. There it is.
Sorry to wait time.
Go-Go, Gadget Go Coaster. What? Go explore.
I have the toy one of that.
Yeah, you do have the toy one of that.
And it's the same license.
It says it already has a 30-minute wait.
Guys, it's the same license too.
It is?
It has the same license. I like the...
All right, let's Let's see what's over here. Looks like you can get a snack while you're here. It's just like, to me, just a giant play area for children. You guys want to go in there? Go right ahead. Maybe Dad will go with you. What's up there? Here we go. Chippendale's Treehouse. Oh my gosh, low ceilings. Are we even going to make it? I don't know about this, guys. We're going to experiment with this together. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, tight quarters. Tight quarters, low ceilings. Woo. All right. And then a simple staircase down. So this is also something you can just let your kids go up. You probably don't have to follow them if you don't want to. And then they just come back down. This is a good place to release some energy. I love the popsicle stick bench.
Doesn't look like there's a line.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't see a line either.
You can't go on a coaster by yourself. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not using my fast pass.
Stop yelling. Go ahead, Steve. We'll watch you.
No, I'm taking it from the back on the
Oh, there's the go-go coaster, or Goofy's Go Coaster. It's all adults on there. That's pretty funny. Okay. Go ahead, Henny. Go ride a coaster with Dad. Do it. No? He says no.
I say no too.
All right, my kids are being poops. Looks like we got Mickey Mouse's house. Look at this mailbox. How cute is that? Oh, it says we can meet Mickey in here. Very cute. Should we go see what's in here? Let's go see. It's been years. I feel like they totally redid this, but I could be crazy. Oh, look it. Pluto has a doggy door. Mickey's living room. Can we sit on the furniture? Let's try. Oh my gosh, kids go sit on Mickey's sofa. Mickey's sofa. This is fun. Okay. Mickey's house.
He's not here.
Oh, he's not here. Look at his duck wheel. It's like a player piano. He's got lots of furniture. Mickey's got lots of furniture. He's got a fireplace with his gal Minnie. Pluto's dog bed. TV. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is. Washing machine? This is a big house to explore. Laundry. His calendar, it's set for 1942. Mickey's living in the past. Mickey's a cleaning products. All right, it says meet Mickey, you made it. Follow this path through the backyard and go into my movie barn and I'll meet you there. Okay. So this appears to just be a very long interactive queue to meet the main mouse himself. Oh my gosh. This is his backyard. Pluto's doghouse.
Did you listen to the phone call? He's not here today.
Oh, well, we don't really know what's going on. We're newbies. We're newbies at Toontown right now. He's got a garden. Potatoes. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're in his barn now. Apparently Mickey keeps chickens. Some sort of magic mirror. Oh my gosh, this place is huge. Looks like his tool shed. Duck at work. Are they fun mirrors? Oh my gosh. I'm tall and scary. What is that? Oh my gosh. And then it says we can meet Mickey, which we don't need to do. We've met him several times already. But pretty cool. So there is an exit in case you just want to do the house and not meet Mickey, which is what we're going to do. All right. Pretty fun. Now we're back outside. Pluto's still walking around. Looks like you can meet Minnie over there as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little live viewing of Toontown. It's pretty cool, especially if you got littles. It got crowded really quickly. So if you are going to do this, you do want to do it as soon as it opens at 9 a.m. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. But stay tuned, you never know what I'll post. So mahalo for watching. Nina, out.
Wasn't that fun? Again, I apologize. The Wi-Fi at the parks is very hit or miss, and when you're doing a live streaming, especially when you're going deep in, indoors, it does get kind of blurry, kind of fuzzy. I hope it wasn't too annoying to watch. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. So anyway, back into Toontown. There's definitely a lot to do, unlike what I used to remember. A lot of cars for the kids to go in and out, a lot of selfie spots, a lot of Instagram spots, a lot of houses for the kiddies to explore, including Chip and Dale's treehouse, which I didn't show you, Mickey's house, and where you can meet Mickey. There's Minnie's house, Goofy's Playhouse, and Donald's boat. So there's a few things we didn't quite do. We did have a fast pass to get to, which you will see here in a minute. So I kind of, was trying to just get through it. Wasn't really taking my time, which I totally suggest you take your time. Oh, look at the Disney trash cans. You guys know how I'm obsessed with the Disney trash cans. This one was actually pretty cool because they had a spot for you to dump your liquid and your ice before you then recycle. Thought that was pretty sweet. Disney World, we need more of these. Anyway, so there are two coasters in this area. One is Gadget's Go Coaster, which we didn't get on, but you heard me trying to convince my children to go on, for which my daughter absolutely refused because she did not want to miss her fast pass. And then there's Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, which is at the end of this video. Here you see my family taking a pose here. There was like this, little open house, wasn't really a house, I don't know what you call this, like an awning canopy area, and of course they decided to be silly and do superhero poses. I mean, this is what Disney's about. You kind of just do your own thing and go with it. So anyway, directly after this, we decided to do our fast pass for Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin. Of course, I asked a cast member, and she said it was totally fine, which you will see in this video. Maybe not so much. So anyway, enjoy. It is a bit crazy. It is a bit dark, but bear with it.
Here you go. Time for a nice beer. Holy smokes, Roger! We've been there!
He's pouring a dip, boys. Well done.
open them.
Don't worry, I'll get her through this as promised.
This ought to put you out of contrition. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
This will make a swell good on you.
Here's a little something to forget you by.
I got a portable hose. I'll say that.
Please remain seated. Your cab will begin moving in just a moment.
I definitely didn't remember that it spinned. Otherwise, I probably would not have gone on it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. It totally helps me out. And mahalo for watching. Nina, out.